Ever wondered how AI can create video ads in minutes? Well, I just made 3 videos by myself with AI, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I did it by myself. So stick around, because at the end of this video, you'll be able to do videos like this by yourself.
I saw a million reasons to love, but only could stand on one. Because you loved me, because you loved me first.
AI is changing the game for video marketing. So whether you're a business owner, content creator, or should I say you're just curious, AI can actually help you create high quality, stunning video ads. So this is going to be a 3-part series. I intend not to hide anything or just rush this process. I actually want to make it comprehensive enough so that you guys will be able to grasp every single detail on how to create videos like this. So with no further ado, let's jump into the process. I believe the first step is to know the tools you're going to be using to achieve your ideas. For this project, I use Kling AI, Hailuo AI, Envato AI, and my favorite, After Effects. So I've used a lot of AI platforms to generate images and videos, but I'll say out of all of them, Kling AI has been the one that has been the most consistent and has always delivered for me. When it comes to its renders, they're always so professional, they look so realistic and cinematic. I will give it that word, because I'm a filmmaker and I know how colors are supposed to look like. So Kling AI has been consistent in that area, so I've been sticking to them a lot. There are a lot of AI platforms that come close to it. Like recently, I've been trying Hailuo AI. Hailuo AI is one of those platforms that comes close to Kling in some certain areas. In fact, I used it on this project, and you'll see the reason why I use Hailuo AI. I actually feel Hailuo AI is giving Kling AI a little bit of competition, but I would say overall, I'll give it to Kling AI because 9 out of 10 times they deliver, and I would say Hailuo AI maybe 7 out of 10 times. But right now, I would say those are the 2 platforms, but if I'm going to pick one, I'm going to be sticking to Kling AI. And when I was done with generating all these images, I brought all my rushes into my favorite, After Effects. So After Effects is what I use to composite all my AI renders. You can also use editing softwares like CapCut or Premiere Pro if you don't know how to use After Effects. But the reason why I use After Effects is because it gives me more possibilities to actually manipulate some of my footages. So before I embarked on this project, I made sure I prepared a mood board for all the products. So before you go on any project, one of the things you should do is don't just start the project with a blank mind. Always have an idea. Then you go online to look for other resources that can, assist, or you can just use other images that you can use as reference to help you achieve that particular idea. That's the way I work, and I don't think there's any other better process for you to actually achieve, your ideas. You go online, look for references that are close to or can better, improve the ideas you have in your head. One of my go-to platforms for concept idealization is Pinterest and Behance. On Pinterest, I got inspired by this image of Victoria's Secret, and I imagined how it's going to look like when I bring it to life. I love the dreamy feel and the soft lighting with the less saturated colors doing justice. The sneakers product video was an interesting one. My intention was to create a scene where peanuts fall into a pool of liquid chocolate, and chocolate bars that have been cut into half come out from the chocolate liquid as they elevate and morph into a final sneaker packaging. So this particular one had its complexities, but its results made my mouth water. And my favorite, the Gucci bag. I wanted a bag that would float on water with lotus flowers around. The closest I could use as reference was this perfume's image. The good news was that with AI, I could use this image as a reference and superimpose my bag into the composition. So generating images with AI comes with its downsides because, AI is fresh and it's still learning. But with what AI is actually delivering at the moment, I'm pretty impressed because Trust me, it has made work easy and made my work process faster. We need to give AI some time to actually get better than it is now, but trust me, with what it's delivering at the moment, I actually feel it's actually doing its best. See, generating these visuals are not a walk in the park, because it comes with a lot of prompt trials and prompt integrations, and you trying to adjust a lot of things to actually get what you want, actually desire. So it will take you a bit of time to actually master the way the machine learns and reasons. But in the process, you yourself will begin to also understand what to do, and you become faster with generating certain images because you begin to understand the prompts the AI machine understands. Now, let's deeply analyze these clips one after the other. So I'll start with this Victoria's Secret video. I was pretty impressed with the look and feel of the video, and I was just, curious of how it's going to look like if I brought it to life. So I headed over to Kling AI's website, selected AI videos, selected element because for some reason, Kling AI understands prompts better with it. I uploaded this image right here and then prompted it on what to do. For better prompts, I used ChatGPT or DeepSeek. And I just discovered at the time of this recording that DeepSeek has been integrated into Kling AI's platform. I'm definitely going to explore this feature moving on. So I headed over to ChatGPT to give me a profound prompt to bring this object or this image to life. I told it to create a mesmerizing animation featuring Victoria's Secret floral bloom, fragrance mist, and lotion. And it gave me this prompt. I was super impressed by the way it generated or described what I intended to create like it was in my head. I copied and pasted the prompt into Kling AI and generated my image. I wasn't too impressed by the first result, but since ChatGPT had given me a foundation, it was easy for me to adjust the prompt by giving it accurate and specific camera movements and positions to guide its generation. Check it out. This time it got my direction. The camera movement and the flowers are doing justice. I generated another image with this prompt to get the camera closer to the product. The closer the camera, the more I appreciated its results. Then I took all the videos into After Effects and chopped them with the bits I got from Envato. Envato is a platform I've been using for years now, and trust me, it has improved my workflow. It has helped me creatively because of its library of content and tools that has helped me deliver on so many professional projects. Envato is a subscription-based digital asset platform that provides unlimited downloads of high-quality creative resources, including stock photos, graphics, templates, fonts, music, sound effects, and video assets. It is widely used by designers, marketers, content creators, and businesses to streamline their creative projects. The platform offers a commercial license for all assets, making it a cost-effective solution for professionals needing diverse and royalty-free content. Head over to elements.envato.com today and get a subscription with unlimited downloads. And this is the final result. So I'm going to be taking a pause here and allow you guys to practice. Also turn your notifications on so that you know when the next part of this series drops, because we have 2 more videos to uncover. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And also stay tuned for more content like this. And yes, if you have any questions, don't forget to drop them in the comment section. I'll be replying to as many as I can. Until I see you on the next one, bye for now. Peace.